Akwaba kese be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia wo kansi won sempan sa kana no pan so ja medin de Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kujana mikono kwanten coordinates mawdo esa kana no pensu biu e wo Ghana gudiem eja so no say Kingdom Heba wo ede Kingdom enu tatahwe no ana ebo achidom na e ka Kingdom Galibites na Kingdom Gali capsules sound set mi ke bitia boa won tia no bites na betimi a memene eye garlic capsules ni bi na boa mo pomodon semetia sisiye ebedo music system na prevent ya dia hodo a ebora widie nim eno pon ho low blood pressure na tete cholesterol na fesan reduce o sugar level no esan eboa ema fat anwa ene srade adoro o mojanim no proper ni emamutu esan da wo kama edo ni din e the Kingdom Garlic Bitters na fe Kingdom Garlic Capsules pomodin da se onsa bitia ka bi ye the new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules abai memedru hwesna nema esi koso aba na da hoyi ahwene ne guni masu odi ante sana de achen onsa timi ka Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules CBA betia boa ema watia bo adwuma best don hwero ha ne achi na still ugusu jina na so recommended for sexual weakness and afi waist pain net till mental stress now firm esan produce energy ne boa ema resist semen betia sama extra power na niama etia tutu ye dia ma ye the tremendous capsules so etia ba no ye ma ne de mesra wa himfie ho no ho behia se obetia ma ho ache na so twan sa sante ache menken bomodin da osetimi ka tremendous capsules betia sa boa for the treatment of candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa e free ho ne boa ema odo bia dan carbon bia no eno so etimi efiri ho na mafo ebetimi atwam de bia ho a omo enya hawo sanso ana Kingdom home estate so etia ba na Kingdom Home Estate no mesel baby bia wo ewa buruchiri ote Ghana ha baby bia na se opedan padia Kingdom Home Estate na betia sabo ma de ma etia kwedi ma ya ma na modern touch affordable houses a wotimi sample facilities no yumadia eno so ekoso kama standard security service CCTV so na face electricity enso ana face so kwano ukuma sound standby generator horma wotewa o asundie pa bomodin da se one Kingdom phone pen for between din south so odutumeka na so person ko every botanical gardens a won che say some few minutes drive na odu wani etia sa kire o obetia kuboti force odu wani betia sa kire Safari Valley Resort ho closer tete kwashi hospital ho so se be betia sa boa amo asetentia kwenti no ana yesine baby passa bomodin da so ko akropon a right after the Latte Junction o sabetia kom na ehwa boa ma niama etia kwedi ma Kingdom Herbal Center o Cash Drug Lane obetia from 053-614-9961 053-614-9961 na one Kingdom phone pay for entwetwen kumo ye ka Kingdom a o se no challenger wo mo etachiri ye pa ne na pen so ye den kumo so mo na etimi asabrel se no so am se game park games enso de chacha so kwatun asaba boys dia edi no enya asem keto crab modern da o select numbers na betian sabo ma niama akoye dia ma ye de draw no pem so e wa Adom TV so anopa e kata banso na fa nwumre nti odi hujima ebetia boa ye ka game park games ano agem so se more power omo na techira boa me no pen so ye de nkomo no etimi eja kama pa ye chance ye ntempa so mfanfi enra outstanding league game etimi sa to dwa week 12 Bechem United transfer ana omni Gold Stars dia kensi 8 certain time so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta kwa kukosi wa nyabi menso ma nyabi 0-0 ana etimi SMP mo boni akoma hwagro
Bechem, here's Sekojo says switching, looking for Abonyo. Abonyo heads the ball down, but Frimpong takes it for Gold Stars. Here's Apia Makati. Now Aliu safe. There's a handball against. Here is Aso. Okra now. A chance for Bechem United. Augustine Okra. Here is Okra. How did he miss from that spot, Augustine Okra? Glorious opportunity to have sent Bechem United into the lead, and Okra has missed the best chance of the game so far. He had the goalkeeper at his mercy, Okra. This should have been a goal. Big chance missed by Augustine Okra.
And since a game at Tiensa Tuja, I don't know. Now, best mark of the Mesa, Bechem United for coach in Tunyukusu, or also after the game, or the Nkomo Ijai.
I think it's a very disappointing draw. Seriously, I'm disappointed with the results. Generally, I think we played well, we kept the ball well, but we lack some final touch. You know, the most important thing is to score. But I think at the end, we are all disappointed.
but you must.
Senior EPM Hono na Ekomo Gold Stars for catching a Gordon Ablodi and a Gold Stars for coach after the game. One also in central for Bumpunipu na near Okaini.
I might say, let me congratulate both sides. Both sides played very well, and let me congratulate my boys. We were here for a purpose, and we've made a point here. I think I'll congratulate my boys. They played very well. They played their hearts out, and it was a very good game, and it was a balanced game. We knew what we were about. You saw the chances that we also had. Clear chances. We didn't get much chances, but the 1, 2, 3 that we get, it was dangerous. So we were here to come and win. But God being so good to us, we had a point here, so we are okay with it.
Now, if Gold Stars fans don't come on into the city, the only such points no one will be in 1 point each. Log and so media and right. It means to draw 12 for standing gamer a basso will be team for catch. But quickly move for an interest and Chimusum, Ogo Musuma, almost whom Roman Catholic Park, the car park now. Mzampa acheyi pa na kwatre kwa obi eniwa wotimi esi akenzi wo so as a professional footballer na amafo the bone fichire ball so na enrei wo yesana hye esi ekoso honorable oboafo Kodwo Asante or member of parliament Suhum Eastern region ana ono so atimi akosi esi Sum Roma Kale Park na kama e de amamafo ho me ni kampa ne se grass turf papa wom esi what dressing room so mjide pass fisa bre kodie e be improve a game no from Sum na fe so kra no etian san bo ma talent ho no wom so abe Ghana de dache honorable oboafo Kodwo Ajiman ne nsem a ono so edi atu dwani
teams ahodo bebre ewo kroba nti kroye kura manti wo mu pa e kura ompeball omani age ball ho yi beno kran so enanche no so mesamba ye no so your body bi wa hanoma omo doso pa ye from the local council of churches, traditional leaders, I mean chiefs and others, opinion leaders be in the Muslim community near that they be omo okruma during the campaign time e come nje no maka tell say meba ombe kame ona meba memo dey say ye dam rante na kuma so and they say Roman Park e bit my every development dey mom and then see me dey o say so eyo na me hwe mrante no so the talent is our house here the town football ye ade ade nkabom eba wonim nyina ya adwen ono bi kura on to kwakura na sabe I mean ye shigo pegba obia ede obia ni
nti MP Edema Eastern region Suhum constituency honorable oboafo Kodwo Asante ana otene council de nkomo 18 satudwa se otra konya so se obeboa ema niam 18 sa koyi ede se mehye bedwem no ana koba se amanfo hodo wo no ebidi batu nanim eneni waye stadium no kama pa chese ukọ a wotimi sampa eni kan apart from stanza eni ho no ne omo ade agugo ni na chese ampa board e eba be de ewo Suhum ene ne hye so na deputy minister for youth and sports honorable Evans Opugbobi enso ekopimwa na omo commission sa newly built park usuma omjidi passe ba beboa emabunu
Brebi atwa obi o timeka se me kwa me ko stadium sa mako enti na meko ablede kuma enti na meko Steven Otuti enti na meko ene ni world class stars in our league and go for because me kwa sa so mesi ye ni bi ho so nti ya hwe e ho no nsu yi teams no yenya aboteni en develop your players no mo ndru world class players ablede kuma shamakwe mo Abdul Razak no na Joe Debran people go to the stadium to also on continent me kwasa na man na de nyina e de account e de ndi na abasa because of poverty.
Nti Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Evans Opugbobi and Atene Council de nkomo 18 Saturday mra obowura Suhum Roman Catholic Park no kohwe na adwuman asia kona ni so e won hyehya hodo no so 18 Saturday but ye de ni 18 Saturday mu na amanfo nso a Suhum a so be pie aguma no so e behwe se na niam asia kono na eyo manije se honorable atimi ISR stadium e de amom kama
na kwatre kwa na grass ni sopra na oshas ta jumedi yas ti afiba ko ene be busumi ni na odi sa padia yi ahwe enfaso die kese a ede ebre eye krumana but enye krumana nko a we Eastern region ene Ghana ni na I even learned to say some Premier League special mo de ha baba be yo mo na say ekoko barisa we can all understand the economic impact at the constituency.
Just imagine, say simple premier side be and yet the question say has to folk. A crop of baby omobobo Accra Sports Stadium, the nation's Wembley, and then home po. You might want because you buy a concept. That's house of Okaba Hanuma. Sikabena can be soon. Obia,
say, I'm up for almost so soon, and as soon as my Calais Park, a transformer, I am a DJ Cassia Pomchidi Passe, a bit in San Cross, I travel with a chicken bench, now Omatian Behesson and Emma is your Kwana, with the Bidiagro, now Abua, a Messica, cry and sweaty and Sabumbo to Mitiwi, as soon as my Calais Park, and a knee, one more iron stadium Kakra, Omijidi Passe, Omobitia matches so, near matches no, Abomanema Etian Queen, and any one a supporters in the stance of between St. Jim, but more a picture gallery Hodma, almost soon paying for an animal town Kunyanenko for Hudua, Omufuni Ebobordma, or your match than you and you can between 20 at their showmanim, now also home back with some Kakra, and so I was Sumtini Abanono, Mama Matiskumu, and in paying for Hodono, I share a bois and my boss, so El Coso Elsum. But in fact, in Chimu, and so the ex Ghanaian international, a friend said Gerard Asamoah, or the Kumo Kakra Bija, and as Modia Ebayna say on the GD pass a Blasters of Ghana coach, a friend said Chris Houghton, your man America cannot turn some for Bojuma, so short period now, and their own coaches in Kunsano, and Yadia, it's me Ebwa, and my own team Pancasano, one more Edan D. Elmerpem.
What we need is like continuously somebody who will be long there to know, okay, hey, we have a project, let me say 5 years, and this is a coach where we are going to. But what Ghana, what we have is like Otoado came out, I don't know how long Otoado say, so not even a year he left. Chris also there, so it's like to have a coach to believe in him, to say, okay, hey, we have a project with you, maybe in 5 years we want to be there. So then you need to believe the coach to work with the coach. So this is what I can say to the members. So maybe it will be an idea to keep along on the coach.
Gerard Asamoah, former Air Blasters player, now attending council in Como 8 years and to just executing. Yenya would take a crack and from a month for back and the last game of boy Ghana versus Comoros senior Maya and Kasu meeting Poso Ghana at Nabaqua, a prayer and Yadia itimi SAT Saikano, Comoros for Quano, as a dear Swagro, I was in a case in the coast of Ghana for Bina Kukua Price and Car, Yamoni Kewum, Nankiana Quine FMF in Bubu Kunum, na Yampe coach for Bitiabua, and my World Cup against Kess and Sempu qualifier, Yadini 8 years such pa into we Gerard Asamoah Nkoma on also Eddie Ebanono. Basha no bioma me say the 3rd edition of the Law for Society public seminar no and also Ebaso Denden pa na we Robert Smith law group womne asempa 94.7 FM ya ketia famwa ye this seminar kesi 8 aba na dwumadi no team edaso no the law and business of football, what players, clubs and stakeholders no must know ana ede shen 8 aba bibia metwema 1st of December Farmers Day a holiday on Sunday after Ghana for this year, all the stakeholders no say omofo mani kire moving pick Ambassador Hotel and on kron and kopim premtrobre and atwumedi ebetia sabaso na yehwe nim say footballers Ghana Football Association president na fe so penfu bi na agye atum se nyame adoma ombeba na san komotwetwe etia kwinti ba bia wo bia no onso betia ba 1st of December Friday Farmers Day and asan sheso kono eba so moving pick Ambassador Hotel into we air Sempa FM and yasa kofa bi foforo esa ede ebro ntim se na odo ho agim afi wotima benya nchechire betia boa ema usikaka obi froto ho ewa gudi ne ma watimi akwache wade Kingdom Fompen Fadama on the Kingdom Galley Betes Kingdom Galley capsules and attachi afi the new Kingdom Jensen Power capsules na for men obetimi abodwuma best no show harness echiri no na still ugusujina na so a o pompe eboa ema niama etia kwede ma Kingdom Fompen for enso ede hyehyɛ so kwatuen saba eno Kingdom Home Estate ope bi pa etimi asa todan amoaso matuen sadwo a Kingdom Home Estate na eboa electricity ho afi nsusu ho ana afi so sound standby generator o community betia sa hoya aboa ema esundie enyadia ebibedu de biada omo ekopon right after the Latte Junction sabetia sa com na onempemfo etia twenkom so for Kingdom Herbal Center phone pay for 053-614-9961 053-614-9961 na on Kingdom Herbal Center phone pay for Andrew twenkom so open no ni bi Kingdom Herbal bites ni bi etia sa to na se ope Kingdom Home Estate bi so etia kotem no omehwe aboa emaniama etia tutu ye ma wemu ene sponsors a omota chiri boa mena no penso ye dia wo kense wo sempa esaka etimi jawo within the prof iki wala sa gudi krache mame fa